that fast. It's already a 1-to-1 delay. I was supposed to be heading home, but instead I'm going to Illinois on Friday. And then from there, some kind of way, I gotta make it back to Georgia. Kind of crazy. But it's all good though. I got some up my sleeve for my bed though. Got to say, up my sleeve. And I don't wash these, but just know, if I had on a pair, it's something on that phone.
It's time to do. Double XL, he's coming for you. Little black smoke, it's time to go. Hit the turbo, it's time to roll. It's time to do. Double XL, he's coming for you. It's time to do. Double XL, he's coming for you.
Y'all see the visibility getting pretty low. They got the salt truck out right now, but he ain't doing that. He just chilling. Somebody is getting hard to see. The sky turning black, but it's already black. And right now, like it kind of like the snow look like it moving in slow motion at you. Right now, I'm about 20 miles out from where my final destination is. So, we'll see how everything look when I get up. And see just like that, the snow will slow back up. But then it's only 33 degrees outside. Yeah. So, I'll be back, y'all. Alright, guys, so I'm here in Champaign now. See, the snow hasn't really stopped, but it's coming down pretty hard. Let me give y'all a rundown on what I do. So I just brought the loaded trailer in. Guys, you can see it in the mirror. I got the loaded trailer back there. So basically, I gotta take that trailer out and pull it up there somewhere. So won't nobody run into it, because you got car drivers that love driving in the back of the mall for whatever reason. So I'm gonna pull this trailer up there, and then I'm gonna hook back up to this trailer in my mirror, back that trailer down in the door, and then unhook from that trailer and hook back up to the trailer that's gonna be sitting right there. And when I say, oh my goodness, I am so tired of doing this. You guys just could not possibly imagine. Yep. And that's pretty much my day, every day. Just doing the same thing, and then now it's cold. So I'm in my truck still saying it's 36, but man, look at that, man. Like if I open the door, I just know it's just gonna be coming in, like just like a free spirit. Look at that. Yeah. I really don't want to go out there, to be honest with you. And then on top of that, I'm supposed to be headed home right now. Like that's the crazy part about it. I'm supposed to be home or getting close to home. I gotta find my life, you guys. You guys help me find a life. Yeah. And don't be afraid to leave a comment on any of my videos. I like it when you guys leave comments. I like talking to you guys. I want to do some more videos. I'm thinking about doing the, like I said in the last one, I'm thinking about doing the AMSR with just the straight pipes and everything. They sound okay. They're okay. They're 5 inches. They're alright. They do the job sometimes. And just showing you guys how to shift a 13 speed, because my truck does have the red button. Look, you almost can't even see that car coming. That's like ridiculous. But yeah, I got sidetracked. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing that and doing like a shifting video for the 13 speed, which is kind of crazy. I actually taught myself how to drive a 13 speed, and after doing that, I kind of feel like once you know how to shift from one, you can shift them all, because of the simple fact of the matter is, like, all of them are going to be similar. I mean, unless you're just in an automatic, I mean, there's nothing that can rival that with. I mean, if you're in 8 speed, 9 speed, 10, 13, 18, the only thing I'm gonna say is different is the 15 speed. Now that's different. Now I couldn't even really explain that, because I ain't gonna say I can't explain it, but that's just a whole different level. And the Mac 12, that's a different one too. I couldn't really explain that either. It's really like the Mac 12 speed is really like a 10 speed. Like it's really like a Super 10 actually, but different concept though. I'm rambling. I'm a rambler. I ramble about things sometimes, so you guys have to kind of stop me about that. Yeah. I guess now I'm finna go out and get wet and stuff. Yeah. Man, it's cold out there. I gotta find my jumpsuit. I'm putting my jumpsuit on and my boots. I'm putting my shoes on. I don't feel like putting the boots on. If I had to go walking in the snow, I'd probably put my boots on, but nah. Yeah. I'll be back. I always come back. I'll be back. Yeah, you got to have the jumpsuit on. I got the Carhartt. My mama got me this jumpsuit a couple years ago for Christmas. But do y'all see how fast the ground is covered in snow now? Like I'm sorry, it didn't even take 5 minutes. Like I wasn't even gone for 5 minutes. Look at all this. All this snow. Whew. Like I said, I guess I gotta get to work. I ain't gonna get home by procrastinating, I guess. Usually in the snow, when it's this cold like this, you don't part with your trailer brakes. You just part with the tractor brakes only, because when it gets too cold, your trailer brakes will actually freeze, and you don't want them to freeze up, and you have to call roadside assistance next day, and your company's gonna be mad at you. You're gonna be mad at yourself, and the roadside man's gonna be mad because he's gonna be back there with a torch trying to thaw out the brakes. Ooh, snap. Let me get out of the way. Cause baby, I ain't trying to get killed. Come on. Man, he looked at me like he mad at me. But you know, let me hurry up before I got hurt back there. About to drop my airbags to make the job a little easier. Just like that, I'm on hook. That's what first gear sound like. Go ahead and flip the switch back. Pump my airbags back up. Put the paperwork in the box. You're supposed to put that lock on, but I ain't doing that like that. Cold.